Did you zoom?
Gentry family.
I can see it. I can see it in your glasses.
Hey, you sound like a beluga whale.
Why is his arm up in the air?
Hey, is there a wounded animal back there?
I forgot he's the sound effects guy.
Yeah.
Say hi, babe.
Hi. Notice we're here chilling, waiting on the Gentrys.
They're slow.
Y'all get stuff this time, it's on you.
Can we go now?
Huh?
Can we go now? It's me.